Okay, so here's the TV and the adapter. So first of all, I gotta put it on computer. Okay, and I figure I'll show you guys how quickly it connects to my laptop. Should automatically flip over like that. So it takes a little bit of time, but not too big. And just show you a little video playback. This is my Xbox One Midnight Forces.
Xbox One Midnight Forces
So you guys
special
get
edition.
an idea how
I decided to pick this
video
up so that I can have
is.
a nice
I know it's a little hard to see on the camera, but
so yeah, let's get into this unboxing. Take down here. Flip it over.
so overall playing with it, it's
Batteries.
actually looks to be really good. It's almost as good as an internal video card.
Which looks really cool. It's a very nice controller.
So after a few weeks of him using it, I will make sure to do a
Papers.
mini review down in the description telling you how well it works. So that way you guys
It's
can
really
know.
nice as well. So yeah, that's all there is to the Midnight Xbox One controller.
So yeah, overall, I'd say so far it's a very good adapter, and I will put the way you can purchase one right down in the description as well. Hope you guys like this video, and remember, if you like this video, to comment, like it, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I am Computertastic.
Thank you guys for watching. Again, I am Computertastic.